Alright, with this lesson, these two slides, we're going to talk about absolute value. Just give you a couple different examples of it. It's very basic, very simple concept. Once you understand it, make sure you can visualize what you're saying and everything else. Once you understand where we're going with this, absolute value is a symbol that's represented by two parallel lines and the numbers on the inside. Okay? So say you have an absolute value of a positive 7. That doesn't really mean much. It just means it's a 7. Okay? But if you have an absolute value of a negative 7, well, it's the same thing. It doesn't really mean much other than 7. So what it's saying is the absolute value of this. So let's go ahead and plot our first 7 on this line graph here. So we have, let me change my font. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. I really shouldn't have this addition here. And let's get this out of here. So let me do a versus. Okay. So we have our positive 7. Now let's go ahead and plot our negative 7. Okay, our negative 7's there. Absolute value means, what is the absolute value? What is the distance away from 0? Regardless of symbol, positive, negative. Okay, so we've marched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. Negative, yes, to the left, but it's still 7 steps. That's what absolute value is. What is the absolute value? The total number away from 0 is what you're looking for. Okay, so an absolute value of 7, it's here. Absolute value of negative 7 still means 7, positive 7. Yes, it's over here on the graph, the plot, but it is still ultimately 7 steps away from 0. Okay, so that is absolute value. It works the same with any number, whichever way, positive, negative. Absolute value is the absolute, it's just the amount of steps, paces away from 0. Either left or right, no big deal. Let's play with an absolute value problem. Okay, so I'll use the same numbers we've been using. Okay, we have a negative 7 plus a negative 11 absolute value. Okay, so let's start out here. Let's find our negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our negative 7 is here. So we're going to add the negative 11. Wait a minute, it's an absolute value. So we're going to add a whole 11, positive 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer would then be a 4. Original problem, one more time, negative 7 plus absolute value of negative 11 equals positive 4.